this is the first episode of Funky's Garage Hot Wheels haul. So I got right here 67 Chevy C10. Beautiful truck. I like the little designs it has on it. Pretty cool black rims, black wheels, with like white walls. Lowered, pretty cool C10. I think these are all from 2014. There you go, from the 4x4 trucks and ready to race. Pretty cool, not too bad. Another one I found was the new Mustang, the Dark Horse. All electric. I know these guys are all electric. I think. I'm not sure. I'm not sure much about Mustangs. But yeah, it's pretty cool. 500 horsepower. Pretty good. This would look pretty cool in red. But yeah, pretty cool. Not too bad. Another one. The Cybertruck. Not a lot of people like the Cybertruck design. People think it's like a toaster or like a fridge or like a toaster oven, on wheels. But I think it looks pretty cool. I know it's super impractical and super overpriced, but I think it looks pretty cool. Tell me what appliance it looks like. And this one, pretty cool. 53 Chevy. I'm assuming it's a Bel Air. Pretty cool. Arts. What's that? Hot Wheels. Art cars. Pretty cool. It's like the cool. What was it called? Hot Wheels Tiki Time? Oh, it's like a Hawaiian themed. Pretty cool. With a clear engine cover. I think it's clear. Not sure. Can't see. I think it's just black. But pretty cool. And these are the 4 picks I got in my Target run. But yeah, thank you for watching Hot Wheels. I guess there's a whole new series too, beside my other series I have of other stuff I like. But yeah, this is a car channel. These are cars. Everyone likes Hot Wheels. Might as well make a video on them too. So yeah, like, subscribe. Let me know which one of these is your favorite Hot Wheel, and which one would you buy in real life, and what appliance does the Cybertruck look like? I say it looks like a fridge on wheels, but looks pretty cool. So yeah, bye guys.